Did you know being polite burns the same brain fuel as solving math problems? Your emotional control and cognitive thinking share one glucose tank. When you spend all day managing difficult people, staying calm in meetings, or suppressing frustration, you're literally draining your mental energy reserves. That's why you feel exhausted after easy days. Here's the fix. Budget your emotional energy like money. Save it for what matters most. Say no to energy vampires. Take breaks between emotionally demanding tasks. Your brain will thank you. Follow for more brain hacks.